Classic Grooming's latest release, the Beard Repair Serum. One of the things we do best is we solve problems. So our beard products were all created to solve a problem, and they're all created to provide results. We designed this specifically to be used at night, so you get the best benefits out of your nighttime beard routine. So this is gonna have shea nut oil, coconut oil, argan oil, avocado oil, vitamin E oil, rosemary essential oil, lavender essential oil, and peppermint essential oils. Every ingredient we packed into the Beard Repair Serum has a function. A lot of the struggles you've been going through, a lot of the struggles you've been dealing with, we designed this to help out. The breakage, the shedding, the split ends, and the patchiness. A lot of the ingredients in this product will help with that. A lot of the ingredients in here are known to stimulate follicles, which is gonna help with patchiness. It's gonna help to boost your growth, to help you those thinner hairs grow a little bit faster, a little bit thicker, and conditioning the beard strands. It's just packed with benefits. We really formulated it to be used at night. It's gonna be a lot thicker. It's really gonna coat your beard strands. You really wanna get it down to the roots. You wanna massage it into your face. On a damp beard, after you use the leave-in hydration mist, you're gonna let the leave-in hydration mist sit until you can feel when that leave-in hydration mist penetrates your beard strands. You can feel the difference when it starts to penetrate. That's when you want to go ahead and add the Beard Repair Serum right after that. And when you wake up in the morning, you just go ahead, get in the shower, you rinse everything out, and then you start over from a fresh slate and do your morning routines with your regular beard oils. You want to make sure you give this a really good shake before you use it. Make sure that every time you push that pump, you're getting a good mix of product into the pump, and it's going to be dispersed into your hand. So you give it a nice shake. You're just gonna go ahead and I use about 2 pumps. So I'll go with 2 pumps, and I'll work that all the way out to the tips of all of my beard strands. And then I'll take a comb and I'll just comb through it a little bit, or a pick, comb through it a little bit. I may brush, certain areas a little bit, and really massage it into the beard and try to help to facilitate stimulating that beard growth and getting that blood flow going. And a lot of the ingredients in these products help to do that as well, but there's nothing wrong with you doing that with your fingertips. You just don't want to be too rough. So some of the main problems when growing a beard, if you're having a little trouble, are going to be breakage, split ends, excessive shedding, and a patchy beard. And we put this product together and designed it to help with each and every single one of those issues.